What's up guys, welcome back to King Rock channel. We're playing literally grass grow. So literally what grass grows? Look how is my grass sucks, dude. Look. Oh wait guys, wait somebody here. So guys, I'm just gonna go on a private server. Just gonna go on a private server guys because I kinda need a private server. So I'm just gonna go here and 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 yo. Other servers refresh. So there's no private server here? Okay. Then I'm just gonna play with that guys. So guys, you gotta wait for a very long time to be back. So I'm back, yo. Wait guys, I'm just gonna do something. Dun, 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 dun. Now I'm done. So let me just clip my mic right here. Clip my mic here. And now we are done with my mic set. So guys, back my mic. So guys, as I said, oh, game creator, cardboard. I don't care about you, bruh. 10 exclusives, chat commands, 10 experience. Click for more details. I literally need Robux. You dumb. I literally need Robux to that. Dude, I literally need Robux. But I don't have Robux. So, to good days, yeah. Still don't have my chat. Look, bro, look. Yo, my grass is kinda growing now, yo. So, guys, shut up. Oh, guys, I'm just gonna drink water. Water. Nom nom nom. Ha! I love juice. Dito ako. So I'm here now, guys. Wait. Yeah. Guys, I'm just gonna do something. See you later. Yo guys, I'm back. I'm reading something. I'm reading something. Where's my phone stand at? I'm just gonna drink water, guys. See you later. Yo guys, I'm back, yo. I'm done. So, the we're doing is right now. So guys, I love y'all. I'm here at my just filming. I'm sorry if I replay playing, so I'm just gonna pee, guys. I'm kinda pee. I'm just gonna pee, guys. See you later. Yo, guys, I'm back, yo. I'm done peeing. So, 5 minutes and 52 seconds? Yeah. Hmm. My grass still growing? Why's my grass like not growing, guys? Why? Why's my grass like not growing? Oh, it's growing now. Oh, I can see it grow. 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 Oh, now it's taller than my screen. Now it's taller than my screen, guys. So there, I'm taller than my screen. Num num num. I can't burp. So it's very hot here downstairs. So look at this, guys. Look at my masterpiece. So let's literally watch grass grow. So, bro, it's bigger than my foot now. It's just bigger than my toenails, I mean. So I need this to grow taller than my screen now. So, guys, my mic still on? Okay, my mic is still on. Good, very good. So, guys, I need a headset. Try, guys, I need a headset. Bruh. Bro, I forgot I need a headset. I freaking forgot. I forgot to make get a headset. Forgot to get to be hot. Yo, guys, let me just put it. Oh, now it's growing. It's growing, guys. It's growing. Okay. I'm stop drinking now. So, hi, guys. It's very hot right here. I don't have a fan. That's why it's hot. I don't have a fan. That's why it's hot, guys. So I don't have a fan. That's why it's hot. So, guys, what y'all doing right now? Comment it down below. Are you guys laying down? Because I'm not laying down. I'm sitting on my mouse. Whoa, a mouse! Yo, a mouse! Well, this is not my mom's mouse. This is my mouse. But I don't even have a PC. I don't have me see. Okay. Yeah. My bad, bro. My bad. So, what can I do right now, guys? What can I do right now? Guys, what can I do right now? What? I'm clicking on my mouse. I'm clicking on my mouse. Okay. I can't even click nothing because I'm using my phone to film. So, need it to be here. I need the thing to be upper than my screen, taller than my screen. So, guys, I ain't AFK now. So, I'm just gonna keep talking while I'm waiting. Joking, I want to AFK right now, but I don't want to, actually. So, guys, Guys, guys. I'm sorry if you hear some zombie voice right now because my brother is playing Days Gone. I don't care about it, but I'm sorry if you're hearing that, but my bad. So, what am I doing with now, guys? What am I doing with now, guys? What can I do? Oh, now it's getting taller because look at my freaking screen, guys. Earlier, it was the half of that. Oh, we can see it grow. Every millisecond it grows, so it will be a very fast, guys. I think millisecond or seconds. They can tama. Joking, guys. I'm sorry if I said that, but I'm Filipino, that's why. Like, ang tama means make this your target. Yeah, that's why. So, what am I doing right now, guys? So, what can I do right now? Guys, what can I do? Stupido. 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 Number, 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 do. Number, 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 do. Number, 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 do. Oh, oh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's getting taller now, so I'm just gonna do. Ew. Bye, Dad. So that's going to work. So, just gonna. So, I'm gonna get that to be much taller than my screen. I have money right now in my wallet. So, oh, I forgot my mom's. Oh, why you here, girl? Why you here? Why? Why? Why you here? I have six money, which is what's on my wallet. Why are you here? Why are you here? Why are you here? Itlog lang yan. Itlog lang yan. So, hindi egg. Dude, what can I do right now, guys? So, I'm just gonna get on my PC, bruh. Sorry if I'm talking to my mom, not to you. Thank you so much. No problem. Bruh. There are no bars out there, so. Sure there is. So. No, I meant cell phones. Oh, oh. Guys, I'm just gonna do something. Yun, sa wakas, tapos din yung dialogue. Ah, sa kuha ulit. Well, depends on who you ask. My ex would say I've been lost for years. Yo, guys, I'm back. Yo, what y'all doing? Man, it's kind of wet though. So I'm gonna wait that to be much taller than my screen. So, I ain't AFK because I don't like it. So, what can I do right now, guys? What can I do? I kind of want to play another game, but I can't because I'm doing I'm literally using another game right now. So guys, you know, there's no private servers here, so no Queso played this game, dude. So it's growing. It's growing. It's growing. Mami, nahanap. Oh, okay. Guys, I'm just gonna switch places now. So I'm just gonna go here and there, my phone setup. So I have my money still here. So what can I do right now, guys? Bro, it's hot. It's hot, guys. Now it's not hot. Do you hear the do you hear the fan, guys? I'm sorry. It's gonna get I'm just gonna put it there. So, guys, what have you been doing? You haven't like and subscribed. Please, guys, like and subscribe for my content. I literally have fans. I have my whistle right here, bruh. Oh, my whistle. Whistle. Do you want to hear it, guys? It's like this sound. I'm sorry if I keep doing that whistle. My bad if you don't like it. So I'm just gonna play with this whistle.
Yes, thank you. Ako na request.
Okay, guys. I'm sorry if I'm beatboxing because I can't do nothing. Oh, I found money. Now I have 2 pesos, 2 cents. I mean $2. So now I have $2. I live in the Philippines. As you can know, guys, I actually live in the Philippines. You want me to take a picture? I don't know. So, ano yan? Ano yan? Bakit?
Sabi ko, bonggo.
Ha? Yo, guys, I'm back. Yo, I just told mom something. It's a very long story though, so I ain't saying it.
Ako na ako sa
Okay, guys, I'm sorry if I keep blowing, but if you guys don't like it, I'm very sorry. So, just gonna put my mic right here, not there. So, I'm just gonna go to the side now. So, let me see how did my grass grow. Yo, I need my grass to grow. Now I need my grass to be taller than my screen now, guys. So, I don't know if you want me to AFK, but I don't know how to edit, so I ain't AFK now. So, I'm just gonna AFK for 1 second. I'm done, guys. What's up? Yo, what's up, guys? Yo. Oh, I also just dropped. I'm gonna pick it up later. I'm just gonna get something. Okay. Okay, guys, it's hot here. Oh, I forgot, guys. Oh, I don't have a timer. My bad. So, I forgot to get a timer. Forgot to get a timer, that's why. Yo, good thing my mic is wireless because I don't like wireless. Some mics that have wires, like the one for singing in the speaker. Do you know that? The mic that's big. So, sorry guys if you don't like my videos, but because I'm kind of getting lazy of being a YouTuber, but I ain't giving up on my channel, guys. I'm gonna give up when I'm 19, joking, when I'm 21. So ASMR, ASMR. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I'm gonna play with the coins, guys. See you later. I got Jose Rizal, which is the national boy in our country. I mean so if I get threes or heads. If I get heads, I'm cool. I'm the best YouTuber ever. If I get threes, I'm the worst boy ever. I got heads, yo! I got heads. I got heads, yo! Again. I got heads, bro. I got